BMW X6. Engine won't start up. I will perform engine compression test. This is a 6-cylinder engine. The engine compression is very low. It doesn't reach up to 100 psi nor 125 psi. This vehicle came in our garage and suddenly on the next day the engine won't start up. So I'm going to do, I have to diagnose what is going on this engine. I am performing a dry compression test. Then I will do a wet compression test. Look at the pressure tester gauge. Some of the cylinder, the PSI reading is not increasing. So there is a problem in the combustion chamber. Then I was decided to open up the top cover of the engine just to examine of the very low compression. Upon inspection, while cranking the engine, I noticed the eccentric shaft of the intake camshaft is not rotating. This engine has a severe sludge oil. Then I decided to replace the variable actuator motor. But due to the angriness of the customer, I decided not to change the actuator motor. And I'm trying to wake up the defective motor. But fortunately, it works. If the eccentric shaft is not rotating, all the intake valve is not opening. This is the cause of engine won't start up. The actuator motor has been wake up and now ready for completion. Installing the direct injector. Believe it or not, I didn't replace any parts. Now the engine has been completed. All the top cover, the injectors, and the actuator. This is the aftermath after we wake up the actuator motor. That is the actuator motor inserted into the top cover. It's amazing. My colleagues doesn't believe how I started up the engine without replacing any parts. Look. Okay, listen up to me. I will explain to you why I am using a dry compression test and a wet compression test. Compression test of the engine is very helpful to you to know what is the problem in the internal engine. How do you know if the piston ring is weak? And how do you know if the intake and exhaust valve is leaking? This is why I am using a wet compression test. Suppose you are measuring the compression test in dry compression test and the compression test is very low. For example, you got a 50 psi. Then you have to perform a wet compression test. You have to apply a thin coat of engine oil in each cylinder. If the compression is still the same, what is the problem? Meaning you have a intake valve or exhaust valve leaking. If the compression is increasing, it goes to 150 to 200. So what is the problem? Meaning you have a piston ring leaking. If you have a prediction only, maybe you can say maybe valve is leaking or piston ring leaking, and then you will recommend an engine overhauling. So that is not justifiable. Now the vehicle is in drivable condition and ready for releasing. Customer satisfaction is a must, and really to appreciated our job. Show your knowledge and it will come back to you. Thank you.